If you want to remove a payment method from your Amazon Prime Video account, follow these simple steps to ensure your payment information is updated. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over or tap on Account and list at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select your account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to your payments. In the account settings, look for the Your Payments option. Click on it to view all your saved payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. In the Your Payments section, find the payment method you wish to remove. Click on the Remove button next to the payment method. Step 5. Confirm removal. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the removal of the payment method. Confirm your choice, and the payment method will be successfully removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment methods on Amazon Prime Video. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Amazon customer support for assistance.